Dr. Brenda Webb Johnson. I'm the Education Coordinator for the National Center. Been with them for about 4 years. I've been in the VA about 26 years. I'm a social worker with a PhD in adult education, and I work with the Education Corps to work on competency development. The Education Corps is responsible for providing education and consultation to assure that we can help our 5,000 employees across the country improve services to veterans experiencing homelessness. We work with various modalities to try to make our information available and accessible to not only VA providers, but also non-VA federal partners and collaborators. And we also work with the other corps within the center to make sure that we are helping them with getting education out on the knowledge that they are finding also in research and model development. So we have a comprehensive education program within the center. We do needs assessments to make sure that we're finding out if there's any knowledge gaps out there. We fill those gaps by providing and developing education, information, and materials so that we can help providers receive what they need regarding how to provide the best services possible to our veterans. We do evaluations and assessments to make sure that we're meeting their needs and that we're improving continuously. And it's kind of like a rapid cycle. We just continue to improve and get better and try to find ways to be our best. We attend national conferences to make sure we're on top of some of the newest things out there so that we can provide the best competency development possible. So we've been working on this program within the Corps, within the Education Corps for about 3 years, I would say. And so we've been developing material over time, and we've been finding material from other federal partners and information. And so we've put all of this information together to create a curriculum that addresses the competency model we've created. There's 7 domains within that competency model. And so for each domain, there's training associated with it. So within those 7 domains, we're covering everything from like systems of VA healthcare, we're covering data, we're covering cultural competence, we're covering ethical boundaries and practice. And so we have enough information to cover competency needs for any staff, regardless of discipline, regardless of where they work. But if you're serving veterans experiencing homelessness, there should be plenty of material and information available to help you with providing those services. About 60 courses within this curriculum, and it's always going to be continuously improving. And so as we try to provide training and education to the 5,000 individuals serving veterans experiencing homelessness across the country, it's our way of trying to make sure that they have the skills and the tools available to them to provide the best possible service to help our veterans and to help the VA with the goal of ending homelessness.